Story title: Sacred Numbers in Nature, Science and Divinity Intertwined. Evelyn stood in the center of the ancient temple, her heart racing as she gazed at the intricate carvings adorning the walls. The stone was cold, yet there was an undeniable warmth to the room, as if the space itself was alive with energy. As an astrophysicist, Evelyn had dedicated her life to the study of the cosmos. But what she had discovered here, in this remote part of the world, defied every law of physics she knew. The temple was hidden deep within the jungles of South America, a place untouched by modern civilization. Local legends spoke of a sacred number, a pattern so powerful that it held the key to understanding the universe itself. Evelyn had always dismissed such stories as myths, but her recent research had begun to suggest that there was something more to them. Her team had been deciphering ancient manuscripts that spoke of a number, revered by the indigenous people for centuries, called the Phi sequence. This number was a constant in both the natural world and the cosmos, known today as the Golden Ratio, 161803398887. To the untrained eye, it was just a number. Evelyn's fingers traced the symbols etched into the stone, each curve and line following the pattern of the golden spiral. The markings were almost alive, swirling in a way that made her head spin. She had seen this pattern before in galaxies, hurricanes, and even the growth of plants. It was a number that existed everywhere, nature's fingerprint, the secret code of creation. But what Evelyn didn't expect was the presence she felt in the room, an overwhelming sense of being watched. Her breath quickened as a shadow moved across the walls. She turned but saw nothing. Was it her imagination, or was she truly not alone? Suddenly, the temperature dropped. Evelyn's body tensed and a voice echoed in her mind, clear and commanding. You seek the truth of creation, but you must first understand its origin. Evelyn staggered back, her pulse racing. She wasn't alone, someone or something was here. She quickly reached for the journal in her bag, flipping through the pages, searching for answers. According to the manuscript, the Golden Ratio wasn't just a mathematical constant. It was a bridge between worlds, a link between the physical and the divine. The room grew darker as the voice continued. The universe is not random. It follows a divine plan, encoded in the sacred numbers of the cosmos. You are but a thread in a vast tapestry, woven by a force beyond comprehension. Evelyn's mind raced. Could this be true? She had spent her life studying the universe, trying to understand its chaotic beauty. But what if it wasn't chaotic at all? What if everything, every star, every galaxy, every living being, was part of a grand design? With trembling hands, she activated the device she had brought with her, an advanced scanner that could measure the frequencies of cosmic energy. The device beeped as it detected something extraordinary. The sacred number was emanating from the temple itself, its energy resonating with the universe. Then, in a flash of light, the walls around her seemed to dissolve. Evelyn gasped as she found herself standing on the edge of a vast cosmic expanse, stars twinkling in the distance, swirling in perfect patterns. The Golden Ratio was all around her, shaping the fabric of space-time itself. A figure appeared before her, radiating light, an ancient being, its form shimmering with energy. I am the keeper of the pattern, it said, its voice resonating in her mind. You have unlocked the gateway, Evelyn. You now see the truth. The universe is not just a product of chance. It is a divine creation, governed by sacred laws, and you are part of its design. Evelyn's eyes widened in awe and fear. Was she truly witnessing the divine? The keeper extended a hand, and in that moment, Evelyn understood. The universe was far more than she had ever imagined. It wasn't just a collection of particles and forces. It was a living, breathing entity, an expression of something greater, a divine intelligence woven into the very fabric of existence. As the vision faded, Evelyn was back in the temple, her heart pounding. She looked down at her hands, the sense of awe and understanding still coursing through her. She had seen the truth, but it was only the beginning. The Golden Ratio, the sacred number, was not just a key to the universe. It was the key to understanding the divine order behind everything. And Evelyn knew, as she left the temple, that her journey had only just begun. The universe, with its infinite mysteries and divine design, had revealed itself to her. Now it was her task to share this knowledge with the world. But she couldn't shake the feeling that the deeper she went, the more she would uncover, and the more questions she would have.